Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is my personal experience with using Vacasa. Vacasa, found at www.vacasa.com, offers a comprehensive platform for vacation rental management and booking. Whether you're a homeowner looking to rent out your property or a traveler searching for the perfect getaway, Vacasa aims to streamline the entire process. For homeowners, they provide a full-service management solution, handling everything from marketing and bookings to cleaning and maintenance. This allows owners to generate income from their properties without the hassle of day-to-day management. Vacasa's marketing efforts extend across multiple platforms, ensuring maximum visibility for listed properties. They also handle guest communication, ensuring a smooth experience for both owners and renters. On the traveler side, Vacasa boasts a wide selection of vacation rentals, ranging from cozy cabins to luxurious beachfront villas. Their user-friendly website and mobile app allow for easy browsing and booking, with detailed property descriptions and high-quality photos. They also offer 24/7 guest support to address any questions or concerns that may arise during a stay. Vacasa's goal is to create a stress-free and enjoyable vacation rental experience for everyone involved, simplifying the complexities of property management and providing travelers with a diverse portfolio of accommodations to choose from. By leveraging technology and a dedicated team of professionals, Vacasa strives to connect homeowners with travelers seamlessly, maximizing rental income and facilitating memorable vacations. They also offer flexible cancellation policies, providing peace of mind for travelers in uncertain times. For homeowners, Vacasa provides detailed performance reports, allowing them to track their property's occupancy rates and revenue. Their comprehensive approach to vacation rental management aims to create a win-win situation for both homeowners and guests.